Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Steam tools. First, open Steam and go to your library. At the top left of the library section, there is a filter menu that usually says Games. Click on that menu and select Tools. Your library will now switch from showing only games to showing all of the available tools linked to your account. The list you see may include server software for multiplayer games, development kits, or additional programs that are required by some titles. Steam officially groups all of these under the Tools category so that they are easy to find and install. To install one of these tools, simply click on it in the list and then select Install. Steam will download and install it in the same way it installs a game. Once it is finished, you can launch the tool directly from your library whenever you need it. If you are running a server tool, for example, you can use it to host your own game server for friends or for the public. If you ever want to remove a tool, right-click on it in your library, go to Manage and choose Uninstall. The tool will be removed from your computer, but it will still stay listed in your Tools section so you can reinstall it at any time. That's how you use tools on Steam. Thanks for watching.